So, ayun nga mga pre, no? For today, joke lang. So, anyone who watches Naruto, especially Naruto Shippuden, I think you folks know this guy. He's the most iconic villain in Naruto Shippuden. His name is Pain. Real identity, Nagato. Um, hmm, medyo magian siya compared to Zetsu. Let's check and find out kung maganda din at solid tong figure na to. So, let's go. So, ayun na nga. Unfortunately, nabot tayo ng ulan sa labas kaya we have to move here sa loob. So, yep, going back. So, the figure itself looks really nice as well. Mm, looks good. The paint job is nicely done. The color looks sharp as well. Ganda. Uh, the Renegan eyes, the piercings, take a look. They are perfectly done. Ganda na pagkakagawa din. Napaka-detailed. Tingnan yung piercings niya kahit sa kamay. Ayan. So, ganda. Medyo magian lang siya compared to Zetsu. And the figure is sturdy as well kahit nakalutang siya. Look. The height is roughly around, I guess, 6 to 7 inches. Yep. Let me show you a closer look. Here's the 360 para makita nyo kung gaano kaangas yung figure na to. So, tignan nyo naman yung stance, yung pose. This stance is really iconic. This is the scene where he's about to unleash his power para sirain yung Konoha. Look at that, man. Ganda. And as far as I remember, the famous line he said during that time is, this world shall know pain. Shinra Tensei. I'm not sure if I remember it correctly, pero parang ganun yun. Ganda. So, there you have it. Let's go for the montage. Let's go.